Sea level rise. It's a hot topic in Miami for good measure. I went to the Sea Secrets conference at Miami's Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science. The keynote speaker was Dr. Maureen Ramo, a world-renowned marine geologist and research professor at Columbia University. She illustrated this grave concern in Miami, but also offered some seemingly unconventional solutions like eating less beef. One of the other speakers at the conference was Kim Galvez, a graduate student at the university who's focusing on a little-known issue that's quite concerning.
What a lot of people don't know is that below hundreds of meters deep on the sea floor, there's actually a lot of organisms that are there that do impact us, but they kind of do so more indirectly. And these ecosystems that live on the sea floor are known as cold water corals, and they hold the foundation for a lot of different types of organisms that also rely on them.
These coral reefs need to stay in a certain depth range in order not to break down and dissolve. Their survival is key.
But what are other universities doing to combat the rising sea level issue?
I went to Florida International University, or FIU, to check their conference on sea level rise in the Warheim Conservatory. They gave their educated opinion on the issue through several facts on the outlook for tomorrow.
We have the Sea Level Solution Center, and they are working with citizen science. They're conducting citizen science, and they're providing community engagement, and they're having volunteers, students, faculty go out into the community and measure elevations of flooding.
This data from the flood depths during king tide events was used to map projections. But what does that mean for us?
These projections, these areas of flooding are going to be the areas that are also going to be susceptible to sea level rise. And so it's kind of like an outlook to see that this is what it might look like when 2 feet of sea level rise is, and these are only select events of king tide events right now, but in the future this could be an average everyday high tide event.
Our universities are doing their part through their conferences and research, but it's up to us, our local governments, to stay ahead of the wave and do more than just keep our heads above water. This is Ralph Yarrow with UMTV.